This basics in Google Sheet. I will share to you. Step 1. Make the text bold. If you want to make this text bold here like this, first select the cell that you want to make text bold and click on this button. Okay, now read the bolds on the text. Okay, with the step 1 finished. Step 2. I will show you makes the text italic. First, you need to select the cell that you want to show the italic. And next, find to click the italics button here. Okay, the result of the text is length. Okay, with the step 2 finished. Step 3. If you want to change the text color, in this video, I will show you. First, select the cell that you want to change color. And next, click on this button and choose color that you want to show. I choose red color here. Okay, colors of the change. Continue with step 4. In this example, I have 2 students that failed my exam, and I need to highlight to the orange color. First, I need to select the row that I want to highlight, and next click on this button and choose color orange to highlight on cell. Okay, ready show. With one more student, you can do the same. Select the cell and click on this button and choose orange color. Okay, so this is the result that I used the text highlight for a student fail. Okay, one more way you can do like this. Select the first of the student and click Control and select one more student. Click on this button and choose orange color. So it's me at the same time and faster. Okay, with the step 4 finish. Step 5. I want to show you how to know that the font size if you want to make the text big or small. Okay, so first I want to make the text bigger. So I just select the cell that I want to change. Next, I click on this button and choose the size that I need. Okay, the result font size is changed. Step 6. I will show you how to set banner in Google Sheet. If you want to set the banner, just select the cell you want to set and click on this button and choose all banner. And after, the line of the banner will show on the all cell that you select. And if you want to remove the banner, you just select the cell and click the same button here and choose no banner. Okay, with the step 6 finished. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.